Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Thanks for asking me. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together with saying Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, I will take your attendance first. Who is absent today?
No one
is. Okay. Students, do you still remember our previous lesson?
Just give us a
What is it?
something.
Okay.
Apply people.
Alright. Okay. Okay, now we are going to learn about recount text. Kakak sit. Okay, at the end of the class, you will be able to determine the generic structure of recount text, and then you will be able to create a recount text correctly. Right? Okay, please look at this. This is a photo of me when I was in kindergarten. Yeah, it was taken during Emma's birthday. This day I'm wearing a fairy costume, and in this picture I was cutting the birthday cake with my mom. Right? So this moment is very special to me. It happened a long time ago, but it's still memorable. And have you ever had a birthday celebration like this when you are in kindergarten, right? Alright, and what costume do you wear? Did you wear?
Princess.
Princess?
Police.
Elsa?
Prince.
Elsa? Okay. Okay, good. And besides the birthday party, do you have any experience like tour or anything else?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever gone on a trip or a tour?
Yes.
Okay, when was the last time? Wait. When was the last time you went on a trip or tour?
2023.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Okay. And now please look at these pictures. Here are some pictures of activities during on a tour, our study tour to the National Museum. The first picture shows they departed together with the bus behind them. And the second picture, what are they doing? Who knows? Okay. Anything else? What do you think? They arrived in the museum and welcomed by a guide. And the third picture, what is it?
The tour guide show the picture. Talk about the because of the different things.
Okay, they have discussion with the guide, right? And then the next picture is
Lunch together.
lunch together. And the last picture, what is it?
Say goodbye. Say thank you and
They headed back to the school, right? So this is the example of recount text based on this picture. Next one. Please pay attention to a sentence of each paragraph that I marked in red. Okay, for the first paragraph, Tika, please read this paragraph.
Our study tour to the National Museum Last Tuesday, my classmate and I went on a study tour to the National Museum in Jakarta. It was part of our history project and we have been preparing for the trip for weeks. The weather was sunny and perfect to traveling.
Okay. Who knows the generic structure of this first paragraph?
Orientation, maybe, miss?
Orientation, let me check it. Alright. This is our orientation. And the next paragraph, Zahara, please read this.
We gathered at school at 6 a.m. and left together by bus. The trip to the museum took around 2 hours. On the way, we sang songs, played games, and shared snacks on the bus. Everyone looked excited, and even our usually quiet teacher joined in fun.
Okay, who knows the generic structure of the second paragraph?
Event, maybe, miss?
Events. Right, this is the first event. And then next, the third paragraph. Alfie, please read this.
Then, when we are at the museum, we were welcomed by a guide who explained the rules and told us of what you see inside. We started exploring different sections that were ancient artifacts, traditional weapons, and historical statues. I was especially amazed by the collection of traditional textiles from different regions in Indonesia.
Okay, what is the generic structure of this paragraph? Okay, right, second event. And the next paragraph, Alin, please read this paragraph.
After that, we had a short discussion session with the guide. We asked questions about Indonesian kingdoms, colonization, and how the museum can preserve such old items. It felt like learning outside the classroom in the best way.
Okay, it's still event, students?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, right, it's still event. And the next paragraph, Rata, please read this.
Our study tour to the National Museum. Next, we had lunch in the museum's outdoor area. Some of us brought food from home while others brought snacks nearby. We laughed a lot and took many group photos to remember the day.
Okay, what is the generic structure? For event, right? And the next paragraph, Rehan, please read this.
Finally, at around 3 p.m., we headed back to the school. Most of us slept on the bus because we are so tired. Given the time, it was a very one-day trip. It was brought us the closer as the classmates and they give us a deeper appreciation for our country's history.
Okay, so this is it's still event?
Yes, no, only.
No or yes?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is still event, the last event. And the last paragraph. Orin, please read this.
That study tour was one of the best school experience I have had. It's fun time that we get learning can be fun and meaningful, especially when shared with friends.
Okay, and the last paragraph. What is the generic structure? Who knows? No one? Closing? Others? Conclusion? Okay, let me check it. This is the reorientation. Okay, students, now we are going to do a fun activity called time travel interview. This is peer activity. You will pretend to be someone who had an interesting experience in the past, but if you have a real experience, that's okay, it's good. And then your partner will be the interviewer who asks you questions about it. There are some steps for this activity, please pay attention. The first step is you choose a role. In pairs, one of you will act as someone from the past. For example, a person who joined a school trip, and then the other person will be the interviewer. And then the second step is prepare your interview. Discuss your roles for 5 minutes, and then the interview thinks about what happened in the past, and the interviewer prepares questions to ask. For example, like what happened, when did it happen, who was with you, and others. And the next step is do the interview in pairs, and the last one is present your interview in front of the class. Do you get it, students?
Yes.
Okay, please work in pairs. Mm. You group, okay? You pairs, you pairs, in pairs, and you. If you have a question, you can ask me. students?
Yes.
Okay. Finish, students? Okay, who wants to present the work plan of the class? Zara? Okay.
In front of the class.
Yes. Pay attention to your friend, please.
It was amazing. My friends gave me a surprise party.
Really? Where is it?
At my house, I didn't know anything.
What did they do you for you?
They decorated my room, brought me a cake, and sang for me.
How did you feel?
I felt really low.
Okay, give applause to your friend. And the second one, who is? Okay, Alfie and Rehan.
I heard you had a funny accident. What happened?
I fell while dancing in the music.
Oh no. Were you hurt?
No, I just didn't notice.
Who saw you?
My brother, he noticed how hot it was.
What did you do after that?
I left two of them. I couldn't do anything.
Okay, give applause. And the next one, who is to present? And I want Tika and Revalin, please.
How was your last movie?
It was amazing. My friends gave me a surprise party.
Really? Where was it?
At my house, I didn't know anything.
What did they do for you?
They decorate the room with a cake and some for me.
How did you feel?
I feel really loved. Okay, give applause, please. And I want one pairs. And I want Shahnas and Orin, please.
When did you first ride a bike?
When I was 8 years old,
Who taught you?
my dad took the bike and wouldn't let go.
Did you fall?
Yes, but just a little.
How did you feel after that?
Okay, give applause. Okay, so we have conducted an interview related experience. And now you can create a recount text based on the experience in the interview with your partner. Remember, there are three structures. Do you remember, students? The first structure, what is it?
Orientation.
Okay, orientation,
Given.
given,
And reorientation.
the last one, what is it?
Reorientation.
Okay, good. So now please create a recount text based on your interview before, okay?
Yes, miss.
Finish, students? Not yet?
Yes.
Okay. Finish everyone?
Yes.
Okay. And I want you to present your account text in front of the class, but only one of them. One of the pair. And who want to present the word in front of the class? Fatul? Okay.
Okay. The title is Lost in the North. Last year, may sebutin guys orientasi.
Yes, sure.
Last year, I had a scary experience. I got lost in the mall. This is orientation. I was with my mom, but I accidentally followed the wrong person who looked like her. I didn't realize it until I looked up and saw a stranger. I was really scared. Fortunately, a security guard found me and helped me find my mom. And this is the event. And last is she was very worried, but she was also glad I was safe. I learned to be more careful after that. And this is reorientation.
Okay, thank you. Please applause for your friends. And then, anyone else to, okay? Angel, you want? Yes?
My title is My Birthday Surprise. Okay. The orientation is on my last birthday. I had a big surprise. I thought it would be a normal day, but when I got home, my friends were waiting for me for the event. They decorate the room, brought a beautiful cake and some birthday song. I was really surprised and almost cried. And the last is the orientation. It was the best birthday ever. I felt so loved and thankful for having such kind of friends.
Okay, good. Please give applause for your friends. And anyone else? Alfie? Raka, you're after.
Orientation. One evening, I had a funny accident in the kitchen. Event. I was dancing alone while listening to music. Suddenly, I slipped and fell. Luckily, I wasn't hurt. My little brother saw me and laughed so hard. I couldn't help but laugh too. Realization. It was a silly moment, but it made us both happy. Sometimes, small things can bring big smile.
Okay, good. Please give applause. Raka.
Okay, I would like to tell my story. A funny accident at home. The orientation. One evening, I had a funny accident in the kitchen. And the events. I was dancing alone while listening to music. Suddenly, I slipped and fell. Luckily, I wasn't hurt. My little brother saw me and laughed so hard. I couldn't help but laugh too.
Okay, thank you. Please. And Ade, please. A school trip to Venice, an orientation, Transmont, my classmates and I went on a school trip to Panama. Two of our teachers joined us too. And even we played games on the sand, took a lot of photo and enjoyed the village feast together. that weather was sunny and the rain will come. We walked and had fun all day. And rail retention, it was one of the happiest days of my school life. I really hope we can go there again next year. Okay, thank you. Please congratulations. Okay, after creating a recount text with the partner and do the role play, I think you can create your own recount text individually, right?
Yes, Miss.
So please create a recount text individually about your personal experience. I give you time about 10 minutes. It's enough?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Students?
Yes.
Belum, not yet. Okay. Yadi and Alfi. student because time is up. So you can make your assignment at home and collect it next week. So after learn this topic, we know that the context has three generic structures. What are they? Okay. There are sentences that I marked in red before, like this one, and others. Do you remember?
Yes.
And does anyone know why I marked them?
To show
Okay, right. To show that it is an orientation or even or the orientation. And then, who knows the social function of the context?
to inform others about experience.
Okay, good. And the last one is language features of the context. Okay, adverb of time. Who can mention the example of them? And what about adverb of sequence? Okay, good. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Do you have any question about our lesson? Okay. Can someone conclude our lesson today? Okay, Zahra?
We learn about the context, or in the context we can see orientation, event, and reorientation. For the language features of the context, there are social function, adverb of time, and adverb of sequence.
Okay, good, Zahra. Okay, thank you so much, student. You did well today. How did you feel during this class?
Happy.
Are you sleepy? Okay. I want you to make your emojis which shows your feeling today in front of the class in whiteboard. Start from Ade, please. Write your emojis.
Emotion.
Okay. Inhale here. Okay, so cute. Next, Angel.
Emojis.
It's very close, like you.
Yes.
And then that. Oh, it's cute. You got this? Alin. Where are you? Sweetie? Shanas? you, Mandy. Are you hungry? Andrea? Wow. Next, Katon.
Oh iya.
Yes. Okay, are you happy? And Rehan? What is it? Okay, Putri? Okay, thank you. Okay, there are a lot of kind of emojis here. It's cute. Alright, thank you everyone, and don't forget to do your homework. Okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi